Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap, and I've got another card kit for you. This one's called Sea Life. Let's take a peek. Here are the beautiful papers we're including in that Sea Life collection. We have 2 text weight prints so that we don't add unnecessary weight to our cards, but we want them sturdy. So here I've got 2 purple, 2 light blue, 2 white, and 2 dark blue. And these are all 80-pound heavier cardstock. The best part about our kits though is the Cutaparts, because these are carefully mapped out so that you don't even have to get out your stamps and all of your supplies to make cards. Everything has been created and pre-planned for you so that once you trim all these elements, you can make a dozen cards, and there will be a sentiment on the outside and inside of each card. Plus, your kit includes coordinating ribbon. We have a taffeta edge satin here, 2 yards of a double-faced dark blue satin, and then this beautiful metallic lilac. We're also adding a set of these 4 shell appliques, a huge pack of these really beautiful coordinating aquatic stickers, and a set of 12 envelopes so that once your cards are done, they're ready to mail. If you like the idea of getting a kit and having it ready to go, but aren't really sure where to start once that kit arrives, we have that solved at Club Scrap. Download and print your instruction document anytime you wish. Once your kit arrives, we'll help you trim, score, and assemble the contents of the entire box into a dozen cards. Not only will you have the instruction document, but you'll also have me, because I will guide you every step of the way in our workshop video. You're going to be so proud of your first set of 4 cards we'll make together. The recipient will pull up on the sentiment here to reveal the greeting inside. Isn't that fun? The cards didn't stand up on their own, so I designed this cute little easel for the back of the card so they can stand up for display. Next up, we're going to make 4 of these just simple single fold cards with really sweet sentiments. Again, the outside and inside of every card is completely embellished. You can see how nice the ribbons look on these. And we'll finish up our workshop with these unique vertical slimline cards. So it's a really narrow base but has a wider greeting. These fit into an A7 envelope. Once again, you have your sentiment on the outside and the inside. Plus, I'm using the shell applique, the ribbon, and the stickers to finish them off. So I hope you'll pick up your Sea Life card kit today. And just remember, anyone can shop at Club Scrap, but members always save. I'll see you in the class.